Nan, Nababo Kabalin, kamusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to We're in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products to our We're in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, mga pagkain po na nasa harapan natin ngayon came all the way from Betis, Guagua, and these are from Just Wings. Price starts at 629 pesos for the 30 pieces wings, 40 pieces at 829, and 50 pieces at 999 only. Now, this one right here, yung serving naman niya has 6 pieces of chicken wings plus fries and white sauce dip. They challenge us to taste the difference because lahat ng mga sauces po nila dito are made from scratch, meaning they formulate their own. Although, of course, some will be very familiar, like for example, hickory barbecue, buffalo, honey garlic butter, salted egg, garlic parmesan, soy garlic, mango habanero, chili garlic butter, at saka yung original nila. Sounds familiar yung mga flavor na yon, but they assure us kung ano man yung flavor na yon came from zero, came from scratch, all the way up to they were able to come up with it. I wanna taste yung kanilang JW signature. So according to our orientation, it's an original recipe mixed with herbs and spices that is inspired from Indonesian sambal. Physical appearance, guys, parang may nakikita. I don't know if these are chili, parang green chili. Okay, so tingnan muna natin siya na walang dip. Wow, it's true. It's not the usual, you know, parang sweet and sour, soy, garlic, parang mga ganyan. This is not the usual chicken that you're gonna have. Para sa akin, guys, ito pa naman yung parang mga gusto ko, no? Good job. Good job. Para sa akin, it's almost an Indian flavor or taste. Wow. Yun, guys. Kudos. This one is really must try. Di sila nagsisinungaling, it's a must try nga. This is their JW signature. To tell you honestly, I cannot pinpoint kung ano yung which is which sa mga flavor. But let me just taste it. Ayan, very evident yung mga garlic and chili niya. Oh, that's hot. This is chilicious. Ah, you got it from me. This is chilicious. You're welcome, Just Wings. You can use my word. This is chilicious. It's chili, more on garlic, and it's delicious. Chilicious. Probably this is honey garlic butter, pero di pa natin natitikman kasi kaya di pa alam. Oh yeah, parang pinaka-taste ng ano is sweet and salty. I think that's the word. So now I know, yung kinain natin kanina is called mango habanero. Sarap. Oh, wow, I like the smoky flavor. So I think hickory barbecue. So this is called hickory barbecue. Alright, so last to taste, I think. From the physical appearance niya, it has, parmesan cheese on top. I'm assuming this is the garlic parmesan. Alright. Parmesan. You know it better. Wow. Grabe, I can't stop. Alright, so there you have it. I think I had enough for the samplers. I'm gonna share this with the rest of my family. If you're asking me, guys, kung ano yung o-orderin ninyo, go for this one. JW signature. It's absolutely different from the usual, the rest. Para sa akin, guys, because ito yung mga tipo ko. Tikman nyo na rin siya. It's really good. And then for this one, the chilicious. What do we call it? Let me see, no? Chili garlic butter. Chili garlic butter is very chilicious. Guys, if you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. If you want to order, they are currently available via or online delivery, and soon they're gonna be opening their physical stores. So gotta check out Just Wings. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much, Just Wings. Please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and I hope to see you in the next one. Just Wings.